Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to crochet this bag, and it's super easy. I used 2 basic stitches only, and this is perfect for someone who's starting out in crochet. The bag measures just over 15 inches by 11 inches, but you can adjust this into any size. I used cotton yarn for this project from We Love Yarn. It is a #1 superfine yarn, which means it is very thin. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, stitch markers, and measuring tape. Here is my lovely crochet ring. It is to help ease the pain on the finger so the yarn is not pulling the finger. And I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. If you want to find out more, the link is in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Alright, let's get started. I'm doubling my yarn because the yarn I have is very thin, and it is your choice if you want to double it or not, but you may want to adjust the number of chains. And to begin the pattern, grab hold of the tail and wrap it around your finger like this to make a loop. Then bring the working yarn through the loop. Now insert the hook. Make sure it's not too tight. Make a chain of 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to make it into a different size, just make sure your chain ends on an odd number. To begin round 1, start on the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Place a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert. I normally like to insert into 2 loops, and it's also your choice if you want to insert into 1 loop or 2. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. 1 chain. Now skip 1 and half double crochet into this chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1 chain, skip 1, half double crochet. One chain, skip 1, half double crochet. And this is the repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you on round 2. To begin round 2, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and turn. Skip the first stitch, then half double crochet into the next stitch, which is the stitch above the half double crochet stitch. One chain, skip 1, half double crochet. One chain, skip 1, half double crochet. One chain, skip 1, half double crochet. And this is the repeat. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 2, it is important not to skip this chain. So skip one and half double crochet into this chain. Now round 2 is complete. And to begin the next round, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and turn. From here, skip 1, half double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, half double crochet. And this is the repeat for this round. And we are going to repeat this one for 5 times. And I'll meet you at the end of round 7. Okay, so we did 7 rows for the base. And to build the bag, we'll continue to crochet from this point to this point and all around. To carry on from where we left off, 1 chain. And then on this row, on this stitch right here, place a half double crochet. 1 chain. And on this row, half double crochet. 1 chain, half double crochet. Basically, you want the lines to line up. One chain, and don't forget about this one. Place a half double crochet, 1 chain. Now work on this side. On the next line or the next row, place a half double crochet, 1 chain, half double crochet, 1 chain, and this is a repeat. And I'll meet you on the next round. So round 7, we started from here and crochet all the way around and back to the beginning. And now to join the round, 1 chain and half double crochet into the first stitch. One chain and half double crochet into the next stitch. Continue with half double crochet, 1 chain, half double crochet, 1 chain to build up the bag. At first, it may look very flat, and this is normal, but just continue to repeat the pattern, and I'll meet you on the next part of the bag. I stopped after my bag reaches 11 inches, and it's optional for you of how high you want your bag to be. My last stitch was half double crochet. In this chain space, place a single crochet. Place a marker on this stitch. Then single crochet into the half double crochet stitch. Single crochet into the chain space. Single crochet into the half double crochet stitch. And this is the repeat for this round. And we are doing single crochet for 2 rounds. And I meet you after 2 rounds of single crochet. Alright, I'm back to where my first single crochet stitch is, and you want your last stitch to be ended somewhere here. If your last stitch isn't here, you can make another round or single crochet. Measure about 4 inches on this side. Looks like I can do 2 more single crochet. Also 4 inches on this side, and place a marker. And this is where I want the handles to be. If you want to, you can also count the stitches, but I just eyeball everything. I'm adding 2 more single crochet stitches to make it 4 inches on the side. And then from here, make a chain of 80, which is about 21 inches, but you can adjust to the length you want. Once the chain is made, it is important it's not twisted. Then connect to the next marker by placing a single crochet. Then single crochet into every stitch into the next marker. And make another chain for the other handle and connect to the next marker. Then single crochet back to the beginning, and I meet you at the end of the round. From here, we're just going to single crochet along the chain. There's a front side and also a back side of the chain. The front side is where the V's are, and the back side is where the bumps or bridges are. And I'm placing single crochet into the bumps on the back, which is this one, this one, this one, this one. And for the next 4 rounds, just place a single crochet into every stitch. You can make more rounds if you like or less, entirely up to you. After 5 rounds of single crochet, then cut yarn and fasten off the tail. I use a yarn needle. Insert the yarn needle into the next stitch. And then out from the top of the last stitch. And now fasten the tail. Once the tail is fastened, then your bag is ready to be used. I hope you liked today's project. Please comment below to let me know. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!